hop in the shower and you realize the water pressure isn't what it used to be, and you're gonna call a plumber. But don't wait and try this tip instead. Put some white vinegar in a plastic bag. Make it the size that will wrap around your shower head. Then you're gonna simply pull it up, and you can take whatever you want to tie it on with. I'm gonna use a piece of ribbon that I had laying around, and all you're gonna do is tie that right on to the shower head. When you're done, simply walk away. Now make sure you tie it on good so it doesn't fall off. When you're done, walk away. I do it overnight usually. When you come back the next day, pull that bag off, dump that vinegar down your drain to keep it fresh smelling, and take a small brush like this and simply brush the shower head. And hopefully we've avoided the call to the plumber. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.